Hello everybody!
Hello guys!
This is my mom and she's here with me today to open my PR packaging.
Like an assistant.
Yes. And I hope you have fun. I hope my mom has fun. I know some of the things, but I don't know everything that I'm gonna open today, so let's have fun with that.
I have my tools.
Which one do you want to open first?
Maybe this.
This one.
Sobre verde.
Comes from Spain. The earring.
Wow.
Yeah, and this will be a giveaway for my followers on Instagram. Did you like it?
Yeah,
it's pretty
beautiful.
Right? And it's handmade.
Yeah.
In Spain. Yeah.
Second one.
I know.
Wow. You have to.
It's another iPhone cover.
Wow, beautiful.
It's very tropical. It's the same brand that I have, my own, but a different color.
Very nice.
Thank you, Adios, Sweden.
And now, this one.
My assistant is not very good.
Something here?
Yeah, I think it's like a You get $20 credit if you use the code SHARE20. That's really good.
Yes.
And it's from the brand Coco Shine, and it's supposed to whiten your teeth, which I need.
Toothbrush.
And it's natural coconut teeth whitening. If you want me to show you in a video, I can do it.
Me too.
You want to whiten your teeth too. But it looks nice.
Yeah.
And it's good to have a separate toothbrush for this.
Oh, this is difficult, but
I trust you.
Wait.
There's the side. Oh.
Wow.
Wow.
Thank you.
This is from Tyne Eyewear. It's a Dutch brand. And I will leave their website down below. Let's see what they sent. Oh. Oh, it comes with a travel one.
Yeah, oh, nice.
And one to clean. Nice.
Can I see? Wow. Super.
It's very comfortable. Bravo.
Beautiful.
I like it too. Matches your shirt.
Yeah.
Next. This one is heavy.
Wow. I like Casey Neistat open a box.
Oh, nice.
Woohoo.
AUSSIE.
Oh, it's a Australian brand.
Yeah.
I think.
But they have it here as well. Dry shampoo. I really needed one of those.
Another shampoo to get more
volume. Let me see.
And conditioner.
Thank you, AUSSIE. Thank you, AUSSIE. I wanted to smell it. This one, I have no idea what it is.
Spice PR.
Spice PR. I still don't know what it is. Dear Natya, have a beautiful CLUSE watch.
Beautiful?
CLUSE watch. It's like the brand that Megan did it.
Oh, nice.
I didn't know. Thank you.
Really cute.
Oh. Lindo.
Can I open?
Yeah. I never had a CLUSE watch. Thank you, CLUSE.
Can I put?
Yeah. And I don't have a black watch either.
Yeah, it's the first one.
Fancy.
Yeah. And now
the big one.
The big. Wow. Casey
Neistat.
Casey style.
I'm too delicate for this.
Wow.
Oh, I know. This is the hair thing.
Good.
Very well packed.
Woohoo.
Let's see. This is tourmaline ceramic curler.
Can I use?
Yeah.
From?
The insiders.
Oh.
Look, the box is really nice too.
Yeah.
I think this is the straightener. And it's very different because it has a brush.
Oh, I want to use.
Nice.
Thank you. Insiders. Oh, I think
This is it.
this is it. The first one.
Yay. And now it's a mess.
Yeah.
Did you like it?
I like it. I can do.
Everything.
I can use.
It's for you too.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much for sending the
Share
things.
and
Like the video.
like the video.
Don't forget to follow me and my mom on Instagram.
Yes.
And that's it.
That's it.
Bye.